What is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is the best-known software for creating slideshows, whether they're used in a grade school history class, for a corporate sales pitch, or in conference speeches. As with the rest of the Office 2007 suite, the changes to PowerPoint are ambitious and drastic. Why do we need PowerPoint 2007? PowerPoint is a popular tool for people who use presentations as part of their jobs, and also for their support staff. With PowerPoint, you can create visual aids that help get the message across to an audience, whatever that message may be, and whatever format it may be presented in. Who uses PowerPoint? Most people associate PowerPoint with sales presentations, but PowerPoint is useful for many people in many other lines of work as well, like sales. More people use PowerPoint for selling goods and services than for any other reason. Armed with a laptop computer and a PowerPoint presentation, a salesperson can make a good impression on a client anywhere in the world. Marketing. Marketing representatives are often called upon to write advertising copy, generate camera-ready layouts for print advertisements, design marketing flyers and shelf displays, and produce other creative selling materials. Human resources. Human resources personnel often find themselves giving presentations to new employees to explain the policies and benefits of the company. One of the most helpful features in PowerPoint for the human resources professional is the Organization Chart tool. Education and training. Most training courses include a lecture section in which the instructor outlines the general procedures and policies. This part of the training is usually followed up with individual, hands-on instruction. Hotel and restaurant management. Service organizations, such as hotels and restaurants, often need to inform their customers of various facts, such as a list of the meetings taking place in its meeting rooms, or a restaurant might show pictures of the day's specials on a video screen in the waiting area. Features of PowerPoint 2007. Here are the features of PowerPoint 2007, which are enhanced from the previous versions. Ribbon. Office 2007 contains a number of new features, the most notable of which is the entirely new graphical user interface called the Ribbon that replaces the menus and toolbars. Themes. A set of unified design elements that provides a look for your document by using color, fonts, and graphics. Smart Art Graphics. It is a shape that explains easily by using visual clues. Quick Styles. Collections of formatting options that easily format your documents and objects. Word Art for any text. Word Art is a gallery of text styles that you can add to your PowerPoint 2007 documents to create decorative effects. Charts integrated with Excel. We can integrate a chart from Excel to PowerPoint 2007. Better Gradients. It is a collection of effective textures, one or more mixed colors, etc. Zipped XML format. The Microsoft Office 2007 supports conversion to XML file formats also. Save as PDF. Enables you to save a file as a PDF format. Publish to HTML. Converts your presentation format to HTML in order to publish your presentation on the web. Now we have seen some of the potential uses of PowerPoint 2007 and toured the new features. Let's get started using the application. Let's create a simple presentation in a short time using PowerPoint 2007. Here is the working area. You can add a text box, an image, and so on in this working area. PowerPoint provides more advanced options to make your presentations look more professional. Now I am going to create a simple presentation. First, enter the text in the two title text boxes. Then I am going to apply the predefined themes to the slide. And finally, I am changing the format of the title text to bold. Now a presentation is ready to save. To save a presentation, click on the Office button and choose the Save option. Here is the Save As dialog box. Type your file name in the File Name box and click the Save button. Now the presentation is saved. We can also use the Quick Access toolbar for saving a presentation. We'll discuss this briefly in the upcoming lessons. In this presentation, I have used many tools. Please take a quick look at this, and we'll be reviewing all the options briefly in the upcoming chapters. Using PowerPoint, you are able to develop interactive reports, seminar presentations for portfolios of a company, census information of a country, and so on. Save, close, and open a presentation. From the earliest days of personal computing, the watchword has been save early, save often. When you create a new presentation, it exists only in your computer's memory until you save it. So let me tell you how to save a presentation. Go to the Quick Access toolbar, click the Save button. Now the Save As dialog box appears on the page. On the toolbar, click the New Folder button. A New Folder dialog box appears. Type your folder name and then click the OK button. Now your folder is created successfully. Next, this is a file name box. Here, type your presentation name you wish to save. And finally, click the Save button. Our presentation is stored in the folder. Your saved file name is displayed in the title bar. Save As. The Save As option lets you save your file with a new name when you use this command. The new Save As option provides several modes of saving options. PowerPoint presentation. The default use in most cases. This can open only a PowerPoint 2007 presentation, or a presentation from an earlier version of PowerPoint with a conversion add-on installed. PowerPoint 97 to 2003 presentation, a backward-compatible format for sharing files with users of PowerPoint 97, 2000, 2002 XP, or 2003. PowerPoint template. You can save your presentation as a PowerPoint 2007 format template file. Web page. A typical text HTML file with each graphic element in a separate file, suitable for posting on a website. PowerPoint show. Just like regular PowerPoint file, except it opens in slideshow view by default, useful for distributing presentations to the audience on disk. PowerPoint 97-2003 show. Same as a regular backward-compatible presentation file, except it opens in slideshow view by default.